To make money in the markets, you have to think independently and be humble. Meditation more than anything in my life was the biggest ingredient of whatever success I've had. If you're not failing, you're not pushing your limits, and if you're not pushing your limits, you're not maximizing your potential. Choose your habits well. Habit is probably the most powerful tool in your brain's toolbox. If you can't successfully do something, don't think you can tell others how it should be done. There are two broad approaches to decision-making: evidence/logic-based, which comes from the higher-level brain, and subconscious/emotion-based, which comes from the lower-level animal brain. If you are not aggressive, you are not going to make money, and if you are not defensive, you are not going to keep money. Mistakes are the path to progress. The more you think you know, the more closed-minded you'll be. More than anything else, what differentiates people who live up to their potential from those who don't is a willingness to look at themselves and others objectively. I saw that to do exceptionally well you have to push your limits, and that, if you push your limits, you will crash and it will hurt a lot. You will think you have failed, but that won't be true unless you give up. Listening to uninformed people is worse than having no answers at all. I learned that if you work hard and creatively, you can have just about anything you want, but not everything you want. Maturity is the ability to reject good alternatives in order to pursue even better ones. If you don't look on yourself and think, "Wow, how stupid I was a year ago," then you must not have learned much in the last year. Don't mistake possibilities for probabilities. Anything is possible. It's the probabilities that matter. Everything must be weighed in terms of its likelihood and prioritized. Most of life's greatest opportunities come out of moments of struggle. It's up to you to make the most of these tests of creativity and character. Great people are hard to find, so make sure you think about how to keep them. Most fundamental work principle: make your passion and your work one and the same, and do it with people you want to be with. Look for people who have lots of great questions. Smart people are the ones who ask the most thoughtful questions, as opposed to thinking they have all the answers. Great questions are a much better indicator of future success than great answers. Just remember my word: pain plus reflection equals progress.